The Toyota Corolla has several safety features that are designed to keep you and your passengers safe while on the road. Some of these safety features are the Traction Control System and Vehicle Stability Control, or VSC, which work together to improve traction and stability. To fix the Trac Off and the check engine light on a Toyota Corolla, first check the traction control switch, brake light switch and shift lock solenoid are all working properly. Diagnose the issue with an OBD2 scanner to more easily identify the cause and fix it. Keep in mind that you can also use this fix for a malfunctioning traction and VSC system. Normally you can turn the Trac Off light of the Corolla by pressing the VSC button located under the vent to the right of the steering wheel. What does the Trac Off light mean in a Toyota Corolla? You may get confused by the Trac Off light displayed on your dashboard of the Toyota Corolla. This is a safety feature on the vehicle that turns off traction control when it senses one of the wheels is slipping. The light coming on does not necessarily indicate there is something wrong with your car, it is simply letting you know that traction control has been disengaged and you should avoid driving in slippery conditions. Again, as we already mentioned, you can easily turn it off by pressing the VSC button. The traction system in the Corolla works by using sensors to monitor the speed of each wheel. If one of the wheels is slipping, the system will automatically apply the brakes to that wheel and reduce engine power. This helps to prevent you from losing control of your car in slippery conditions. If the traction control system is not working properly, it can cause the Trac Off and the check engine light to come on. What does the check engine light being on mean? Whenever the check engine light comes on, it means there is a problem with your engine. This could be anything from a loose gas cap to a more serious issue. The best way to determine what is causing the light to come on is to take your car to a mechanic and have them run a diagnostic test. In most cases, the check engine light is not something to be overly concerned about. However, if the light is accompanied by other warning lights, such as the Trac Off light, then you should have your car checked as soon as possible. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to more serious problems down the road and may void your warranty. Causes of Trac Off and check engine light in the Toyota Corolla. Now that we already know the meaning of the Trac Off and check engine lights, it's time to find out the potential causes that make them turn on. 1. Faulty traction switch. One of the most common reasons why the Trac Off light comes on is due to a faulty traction switch. The traction switch is responsible for turning the traction control system on and off. If it is not working properly, it can cause the light to come on. The traction switch is located under the hood of your car. To check if it is working properly, you will need to use a multimeter. If the switch is not working, then you will need to replace it. 2. Brake light switch. Another common reason for the Trac Off light to come on is a faulty brake light switch. The brake light switch is responsible for turning the traction control system off when the brakes are applied. If it is not working properly, it can cause the light to stay on. The brake light switch is located near the pedal assembly. You can test it by using a multimeter, which will tell you if the switch is working properly. 3. Shift lock solenoid. The shift lock solenoid is located under the center console and is responsible for locking the shifter in the park position when the vehicle is turned off. When it is not working properly, it can cause the Trac Off lights to come on. This is because the traction control system will not be able to engage when the vehicle is in motion. 4. Oil level or tire pressure. Another common cause of the Trac Off light coming on is due to low oil level or tire pressure. When the oil level is low, it can cause the engine to overheat and this will turn off the traction control system. How to prevent Trac Off malfunctions. The Toyota Corolla Trac Off system is a great safety feature that can help you avoid accidents. However, like all things, it isn't perfect and can malfunction from time to time. There are a few things you can do to prevent the system from malfunctioning. 1. Keeping up with regular maintenance. One of the best things you can do is to make sure you keep up with regular maintenance on your car. This includes things like changing the oil, checking the tire pressure, and making sure there are no loose parts. 2. updating your vehicle's software. Another way to prevent Trac Off from malfunctioning is to make sure you update your vehicle's software regularly. As new software is released, it often includes fixes for bugs that could cause the Trac Off system to malfunction. 3. Avoiding extreme driving conditions. Finally, you can avoid extreme driving conditions that could cause the Trac Off system to malfunction. This includes things like driving on icy or slippery roads. The Toyota Corolla is equipped with a special traction control system that can help you avoid accidents in these conditions, but it isn't perfect. Here are some frequently asked questions relating to the Trac Off light. What are the dangers of driving with the Trac Off light on? The danger of driving with the Trac Off light on is that you will not have traction control, and this could lead to an accident. It is important to get the problem fixed as soon as possible so you can avoid any potential accidents. How can I tell if my Toyota Corolla has a Trac Off system? The best way to tell if your Toyota Corolla has a Trac Off system is to check if you have the VSC button on your dash. This button is usually located near the traction control button and has a picture of a car with wavy lines behind it. However, it's typically less expensive to fix the problem before it becomes serious. So to summarize what we've talked about in this video, when both the Trac Off and check engine light are on, it means there is a problem with a single part or many parts of the VSC system. To fix this, you may need to get repairs or replacements for some parts of the system, such as the shift lock solenoid, brake light switch, and traction switch. Other factors, such as oil level and tyre pressure, can also cause the lights to come on. The Toyota Corolla Trac Off system is a great safety feature, but it isn't perfect. There are a few things you can do to prevent the system from malfunctioning, such as keeping up with regular maintenance and avoiding extreme driving conditions. We hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and follow so you don't miss any of our videos.